Hey all, welcome back. This is Shravan Reddy. So, as usual, I came up with analysis for tomorrow on Bank Nifty. So, let us do a recap what happened today. So, let me adjust this one. So, today Bank Nifty followed the profile logic. Okay. So, what I mean to say the profile logic is, as I have explained in my yesterday video, the methodology how I apply my trading rule. Okay, if you see here, the profile logic is very simple. There is no much complication, or it is not something very mathematically very big. Okay, there is no need to do any analysis also. You just have to understand the money flow as well as the profile. Okay, so if you see the profile, what profile was selling is like the value zone. Okay, when Bank Nifty crossed this previous value zone. Okay, let me put Bank Nifty, just hold to 5 session value zone so that you will understand it properly. Okay, so as per the profile, the value zone for the last 5 sessions, okay, the resistance in the last fifth session, okay, previous fifth session, Bank Nifty had a fair value pricing, okay, on the fifth session had it 20. This is a reconstructed one, so you can calculate it 27,550. Okay, so the fair value pricing happened at 27,550. So the people who bought in this region stopped, or they tried to sell their positions, okay, after seeing a long dip here. So it faced a big resistance in this zone, okay, and whoever bought in this zone, okay, have they feel that Bank Nifty can increase the value, so it moved. So as I have mentioned, the range for the Bank Nifty in the previous session, the range the Bank Nifty still stood at 27,550 to 27,350. So if you see, it just maintained that range. The profile is very powerful tool. If you mix that along with this money flow, then it's a lethal combination to trade Bank Nifty. It's not for just for Bank Nifty. You can trade this for any global index. Actually, we are coming up with for Nifty also the same money flow analytics. So it might help you to trade to take better decisions while you are trading. Okay, so it's all like the decisioning. Okay, you should have something that just improves your decisioning. Okay, all these indicators whatever we see, okay, RSI, MACD, stochastics, ADX, okay, all those indicators, as I always tell to people, they take price into account and they just pass us output as price. Okay, the price as an output. So what we are doing, just then the processing, they just apply some mathematical rules, and then it gives the price as an output in an analytical format. So what is the need for us to do that analysis? The candlesticks itself tells that one. Okay, but the thing is, like, those indicators are developed in 1970s, and still when people are talking about order flow analytics and something big, okay, then where we are standing in front of by seeing all these indicators. Okay, just forget about any price action based indicator. Okay, then you have to see something different, right? As I have mentioned in my previous video, the value, we have to understand the value, and you should understand the traders versus investors mindset. Until unless you don't understand the uh, key concepts, okay, it's very dangerous to start trading. Okay, it's like you might lose your entire capital when trading leveraged products like Nifty futures or options, or Bank Nifty futures or options. Okay, or even any other stock options or stock futures. Okay, so you should understand the key value zones and how the previous trading happened in the previous sessions, where people were interested to buy, whether how, what kind of volumes are being traded. Okay, that's very important. The money flow will tell you whether the volumes are certainly enough to take the price, okay, away from the value zone. If there is very less transactional volume, okay, like here, the price might go up, okay, but because the volumes are positive, but it will not fetch enough, okay, to take the price even away from value zone. Okay, that's why the 5 session point of control still is at 27,250. It didn't changed. Okay, so the thing is like you have to understand how these volumes are affecting or changing the this point of control. Let me give an example. If you are seeing a transactions to buy some land, okay, there will be more transactions happened on that land, okay, at one point of price. For example, say 10 lakhs per 1 acre. Okay, and if someone tries to take see some kind of news or an event on the near to that land, if there's some kind of mall is being built or some road is coming to that land, near to that land, then that can take away the value. Okay, that price follows that. Okay, the value of the land will increase even when you are talking about the price of the land increase, but the value of the land is that is really increasing. Okay, that is one key thing. Okay, you have to understand. And how that value will be moved is like enough interest or participation, okay, from the big time players or investors who are interested to acquire that property. Most of the transactions should happen in that zone. That is very important. Okay, so while coming back after all these stories, while coming back here, so this assessment holds good for 17th January 2019. The 5 session point of control is at 27,250, and still the high probable discounted zone is at 20, by zone is at 27,100 to 27,420, and the high probable discounted sell zone still holds good at 27,750 to 27,420. Cautious on buy signals from 27,550 to 27,750. So cautious on buy signals. While I'm reiterating this point, when you say this one, okay, you should see a very high volume. Okay, you should see a good volume. Okay, if we are seeing a buy signal in this zone, you should see that at least the volume should also be increased along with that. Then only you can go ahead and trade that buy signal. Okay, cautious on sell signals from 27,400 and 250, 27,100. Still this holds good. Any break to 27,750 with high positive, really the volume should be very high. So apart from this money flow analytics, no other indicator. I certainly can tell people that, okay, this is a very powerful indicator. Okay, this can give you how the volumes are being separated, uptick and downtick. Okay, the one which inspired me to create this is like the tick volume. Okay, so in Indian markets, NSE don't provide this kind of data to us. Okay, but yes, so, no, some people can make it because they want to trade it in a big way. Okay, this is I'm giving it these things at very low cost to people. Okay, so we can trade using this one. This is really very good product. The signal system entirely is called market internals based signal system. I don't take the price action of Bank Nifty into account. We take only two things. One is money flow, and second one is capitalized weightages. How the assigned free float market capitalization is affecting the Bank Nifty. Okay, we take those into account. Apart from that, we don't take any other factor into account. If you see here, underlying weighted advance and decline. Okay, if you see this one, it tells us like how the assigned free float market capitalization is moving. So what is the free float market capitalization and what is its importance? Any index, okay, if it's a capitalized weighted index, okay, it takes only one factor into account, the free float market capitalization. That means the total value of the company, the part of the total value of the company which is available for public trading. It's called free float market capitalization. It takes this into account. So we have used these two concepts to build this product. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, if you follow this rule, this simple thumb rule, you can become a successful trader in a longer time frame, trading the high volatile product like Bank Nifty or any other e-mini or anything. So we have another product, the same thing for global indices, actually, even for E-mini and DAX also. So this is very simple thing. So last point is any break to 27,150 with high negative, really high negative volume should be there. Okay, and that represents a breakdown of Bank Nifty. Okay, you just, there is no myth actually. As I say, trading Bank Nifty is certainly very easy if you understand these value regions, and if you have a tool like this. Okay, it's really very simple. You know, if you see here, actually, let me give an example. Today, most of the times actually it tried to break this zone to enter into the next value zone, but it didn't accept it. The people who bought here, they keep on selling whenever it reached the price here, they kept on selling. Okay, so, and if you can see here, if once the volumes broke out here and the sellers came into pictures thinking that okay, this is a really good deal, so whatever I have bought it here, let me sell it here even if I don't have any big time profit. And even the people who bought it here, they look to sell it, because like whoever the bought in this 25 fair value zone, most of the transactions happened last 5 sessions at 27,250 zone. So this is a reconstructed one, so you have to add 50 to 60 points to this one. So at this zone, this, if they see around 550, almost are like 300 points profit in just one day, approximately 300 points profit in one day. That's more than sufficient, right? What else do you need? So if you are getting a 300 into 26,000 rupees of profit per lot, okay, what else do you need? So that is how you have to trade. You have to see the volumes and you have to trade it like that. So you understand that some simple concepts here, there's no myth. Okay, people might say Bank Nifty is not and it is very tough to trade, it is very highly liquid product, highly volatile product. Yes, sir, it's a highly volatile product, and it's highly liquid also. How many ever lots that I trade, I am able to sell that one. I cannot hold, there is no need for me to hold it. Okay, it is the most liquid product on the entire planet Earth. So friends, actually is a very simple analysis. Actually, I request all to just have a look at this one. Okay, and please do subscribe our channel. Okay, and all this analysis is for free. So many people talks about this market profile and all those things, that this is a very big concept, and there is some kind of genius brain behind that. No, nothing like that. So it's a very simple one. Whoever tells you that one, say the price will, whenever people says that price will move there, just say that okay, no, price will not move. Okay, don't guess. Okay, always try to forecast the price action with some factors associated to it, that will yield you a good results in a longer time frame. So once again, thanks for looking into this video. I request everyone to trade cautiously, and I wish you a happy trading. And please understand, trading is a lifetime skill set, and if you learn trading, it will be there with you throughout the life. Enjoy trading. Actually, spend some time to learn it, enjoy it. I'm going to end this session. Happy trading for tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.